The population across the globe is ever increasing, but the land remains the same. Yes, the land cannot grow, but the population keeps growing every year. And what does it mean? It simply means that the supply is less, but the demand is growing, because people want to buy the land, but the land is not available in abundance. And that's where the real estate prices are in hype. They are increasing every year. Yes, I was an IT professional for 6 years working in TCS, never bothered about real estate investments. In fact, forget about real estate, I was not even bothered about any investments in my life because of my circle and because of my limited knowledge. But when I started my training business, I became a speaker. I got a chance to meet big builders. I got a chance to meet a lot of realtors from US, from UK, from India. And what I got to know from them is the opportunity available in real estate. And that intrigued me. That's when I started doing some research and started investing in real estate. But yes, coming from a technical background, being an engineer, I had very less knowledge. In fact, I would say no knowledge. So I had to speak to many people, many builders, many realtors, and gain knowledge from them. And then I thought it would be selfish being a speaker myself if I limit this knowledge to myself. So I thought, let me create a platform, let me create a YouTube channel, let me create a website called as Riskless Real Estate, where I'm going to share my knowledge of real estate with you all. And you know what, it's not just my knowledge. I'm going to interview top realtors, top builders in Hyderabad and across India, and we will learn about real estate from these experts. Yeah, so if you are someone who want to multiply your money, who want to know how real estate investment works, this channel is for you, Riskless Real Estate. And in this channel you will receive a lot of great quality content in English of big builders and a lot of realtors, and you will learn all the nuances on how to invest in real estate. Why to invest in real estate, how to invest in real estate, what location, what price, all the details will be shared in this YouTube channel. And you will see great content being uploaded in this channel. So subscribe for it. You can see a subscribe button, subscribe for it, and wait for the next and first interview with one of the builders very soon. Yeah, see you soon with a new video. Till then, subscribe and wait for the next video.